That's odd. Usually I start with the other eye. And I'm talking about the one on the right. Oh, I didn't see you there. I'm sure you're all excited for Pokemon Legends Arceus to be released. And tonight, since it's the end of the year, almost the end of the year, tonight we're going to draw Kleavor. Kleavor is one of the new Galar region Pokemon. And trust me when I say this guy is unstoppable. Battling him should be easy. He's one of the newest warriors in the Hisui region. Pokemon Legends Arceus takes place after they first discovered Pokemon, and people are on a mission to create the first Pokédex. By the time Arceus was brought to creating the planet of Pokemon. This also takes place after Arceus arrives. Kleavor is a rock and bug type. And I knew it would be a good idea to draw this one. Now we draw the giant medieval axe. Alexa, play it again.
I'll repeat the song.
Here's his stone feet. The battle axe. Here's the axe. And done. There he is. That's how you draw Kleavor. Hold on, I think I made the axe a bit too small. And done. There he is. That is how you draw Kleavor. I'm sure you all are excited for the newest game to come out. Who's your favorite Pokemon from the new Hisui region? And which one of them you think should be next? Please have a Spinosaurus related Pokemon there. And an Ankylosaurus related Pokemon as well. There's a lot of new stuff hoping to explore in the new Hisui region. Anyway, I hope you all enjoyed this episode. Please like, rock, and subscribe to my channel. And let me know which character you want me to draw next. Stegosaurus, see you later.